Welcome back to my channel. Dear viewers, as was declared earlier in the introductory session that I shall be starting with the first episode on the issue challenges of working from home, either for continuous period or for permanently in the existing socio-economic structure and system. In fact, the entire episodes will be discussed in 10-12 video shows every week that was declared, but it is under the caption of managing change in the business of life and livelihood in the turmoil period. You could remember it. Now, before entering into the topic of today, I would like to give a slight background. As you know, work from home concept is nothing new to us. In a European country, USA, it was long back practiced. But in India, at least it is nothing less than 10 years, it is being practiced, but not in such a continuous period. Normally, certain IT companies used to practice working from home either 1 week or 1 day or 2 days per employee, depending on the accommodations and the other facilities available. Even in emergent cases, work from home used to be given to employees for urgent reasons as well as company reasons also. So it is nothing new. But what is new is that this COVID-19, the pandemic that came in the early months of this year, and in our country from the month of March, we were totally gripped under the pandemic. As a result of that, what has happened, the entire lockdown came up in the 3rd, 4th week of March, and it went on continuing for April, May, June even, up to certain portion. As a result, there is a grinding halt in every activity of production, productivity, manufacturing, IT services, other services, everywhere, including education. Everything came to a grinding halt. Transportation was not available at all. As a result, the companies started asking people to work from home. So our point of view is that this sudden import on us, our society, our employees, has been definitely a new phenomena which we could not dream of even in our earlier periods. Now, coming back to the topic now, it is first discussed that I have divided into 4 aspects of the entire issue. Number 1, employee issue. Number 2, employers issue. Number 3, family and social issues. And number 4 is the economic issue. So, again, I have decided into 2 parts. Basically, today I am wanting to concentrate my deliberation on the first 2 items, that is employee and family or social issues together as a first part 1 program, and the part 2 program in the next week will incorporate the employers issue and economic issues. So friends, now we are entering into the first part discussion absolutely on the point. Number 1, there are advantages and disadvantages for these employee issues and family issues. What are the advantages available in the this work from home concept, and it has come up heavily upon us. The first advantage point is that cost reduction. The cost reduction is so much effective has become that the employees are not required to any journey to be made, number 1. Number 2, no expenses out of pocket per day. Number 3, no hassles of other expenses while they stay outside, or even in the state they stay at a quite a large distant city. So this has first factor is that become cost effective, and this cost effectiveness is a great factor, particularly those who wish to stay outside the state in metropolis or other cities. Their heavy rental cost used to be borne by them, that is absolutely gone. So that way, this pandemic created this work from home permanently or continuous period is definitely a cost saving item for the employees. Second, the employees are getting the whole home comfort, the every affection, every dearliness are being expressed by all family members. They feel united that their sons, daughters, husband, wives, mothers, sisters, whosoever it is, they are now in the family. They are working. This was never past in the past. It was never in their system. So it was new. But again, we started, our family started, society started getting into absorbed with these things. Now, coming back to the third point, the anxiety level has been over. It was affecting both family members as well as the person who was staying outside. They used to have certain anxieties, and at the end of the day, there used to be phone calls, and in absence of any phone calls, there used to further increase the anxiety level in both ways. So this has reduced anxieties also. Number 4, that is that the employees and the family members are always making fun, making their own merriments, everything in a weekend programs. A lot many things are coming up as a within the home, of course, advantage point. Now let us come to disadvantage points. Disadvantage point first is that the overwork of the employees, particularly the youngsters who have been getting no other alternative anywhere, so they are working. And the organizations have understood that these people will definitely go on working, particularly in the IT sector. Also, there are most important, another factor is that every family does not have any sort of number of rooms available in their house. So when in a family there are 2 or 3 members working from home, like husband, wife, maybe their sons, daughters or brothers, all are working from home, staying in the same house, it's becoming quite difficult because everybody needs a kind of office arrangements, minuscule office setup to require for this sort of working from home concept. That is a great disadvantage point for the family members as well as the employee concerned. Next one is the family members always are hesitated to disturb the person concerned who is working from home because they think whether they are in the meeting, whether they are in any other discussions over phone, so they seldom go to the employees concerned. As such, this is a kind of suffocating situation for some time for some family members. This is an uneasy situation. Also, this late hours, working late hours up to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, the employees, particularly the youngsters, who are getting absolutely exhausted and sleeping up to 11 o'clock even in the morning. So that way, they are telling upon mental health. So all these things are disadvantage point out of the continued period of working from home. However, I have tried to explain the advantage and disadvantage point from my aspects and prospects. However, there could be many other points that could be pointed out by and thought about by the other experts also. Now, friends, before concluding, I would once again request all of you that you should please comment and ask any question, pose anything, so that I could in my email answer and reply, and also we can discuss. And also, usual request is normally that please share, like and subscribe the program, so that for the interest of many other viewers, they will also get to know in the course of time. So with this, I would like to make the conclusion of this today's part 1 program, and the part 2 program will be in the next week. Until then, again, thank you very much and goodbye.